So sekarang kita nak buat sedikit sound test, bukan speaker ni, sama ada dia bagus atau tak. Jadi sebelum tu aku menggunakan power bank untuk sebagai sumber sumber kuasa untuk hidupkan power bank ni. Jadi kita ambil dia punya USB punya wayar tu, lepas tu kita cocok dekat power bank ni. Okay. Korang boleh guna power bank, korang boleh guna plug, korang boleh guna apa saja yang boleh digunakan untuk USB kat laptop korang ke atau. Okay, jadi dekat knob ni macam aku cakap, kalau korang pusing sedikit dia macam ada bunyi sentak, macam bunyi tap. Dia tap, dia akan on lah, tap. Lepas tu korang boleh on dekat off dekat tempat situ. Okay, tanpa melengahkan lagi masa guys, jom kita buat sedikit sound test.
That the brothers on the rise now. Endless celebrations all in my house. Levitating now, I'm super duper fly now. London boy, but they see where I reside now. Put the time in while you always yelling time.
I can see it in your eyes. You've seen the moon at its darker side. I can feel the gravity, the forces pull between you and me. Yes, it's true, I'm falling hard for you, but I won't rush this love. I can wait, even if it's hard to say. One moment isn't enough. I will be standing here right by your side. I will be standing here till the end of time. I will be standing here all through the night. Till the stars align.
I'm an icon, man. And my girl about a 10. I should fuck her in a Benz.